In this Java programming series, we are going to see how to convert characters to a string. Here, suppose if I'm having a character C equal to A, right? Now, I need to convert into a string. So how we can do? So there is two ways. First way is like you can say like a string S1 equal to character, right? And after that we are going to use one predefined function is there to a string, right? And here we are going to pass our C. So what will be happen? It will convert our character to a string. So this is one character class, so it is already inside java.language.character, and there is one method to a string. So just use system.out.println and you can say like the string, right, equal to S1, right? So just come run that program. You can see here A, right? So this is a string. Now one more way is there. What you can do, just use a string S2, and for that we have to use a string class dot value of, right? So you can see here value of, you can change boolean, character array, double, so many things. So for currently we are just going to use this one, right? Now what we can do, just come copy that one, just say like a string 1 and here put the message like true. Now you can run, right? So you understand how you can convert any character to a string. There is two way. First one is character to a string, another way is like a string dot value of. In this Java programming series, we are going to see how to convert character array to a string. So first of all, what is character array? So just we can define like character array like ch, here character type, and just use array bracket, and here we are going to enter our all the values. So either it will be like A, then B, right, then C. So it is like collection of all the character in the form of array, that is called character array. Now our challenge is like here A comma B comma C, right? I need to get all this value A, B, C into one string. So how we can do? So there is two ways. So first of all, we need to define one string S1 equal to, what we have to do, we have to just use a string dot value of, right? And if you notice here, right, here we can pass character array, right? So just pass ch. So this is the first way, it will convert our character array to a string. So how you can check, just use this out and just say like S1 value S1, right? Just save and try to run that program, right? You can see ABC. So what is the second approach? Second approach, what we can do, just use a string S2 equal to, we have to use new string way, right? So this is also way to initialize the string. Here what we can do, here just we need to pass our character array, and what we can do, just copy this whole line, paste it here, right? So this is our second approach. Now just come and run that one. You can see here S1 value ABC, S2 value ABC. So currently there is two approach, string dot value of, or either you can use new string. So you can use anyone. In this Java programming series, we are going to learn how to convert a string to character array. So if you remember in last program, we have converted character array to a string. So in this program, we are just going to do vice versa. So for that, what we have to do first of all, so we need to define one string, a string word, right? We can say like, I'm just going to put the value like I love food, correct? So now we are going to convert this string into character array. We have to define one character array, and we can say like characters equal to, so what we can do, word, just we have to use two character array, one function is there. So now you can see this is our string, correct? and this string is going to convert to character array. So this is the way to convert any string to character array. So now how we can check? Just use this out. After that, just use arrays to a string, right? And here you can see this function is there. It is inside java.util.arrays, and here we need to pass our characters, right? Just save and try to run. You can see I love food. You can see a space is also there because we have given some space. So now you can cross check in debug mode also. So this is our word, right? So currently characters is not holding any value. What will be happen once this line number 10 will be executed? After that you can see, right, at 0 index it is holding I, then index 1 nothing like a space, index 2 it is holding LOVE, right, again a space, and food. After that what we are doing, we are just using arrays to a string, so it will convert all the character array to a string, right? So this is a way to convert any string to character array. So from last 3 programs we have seen how to convert character to a string, or convert character array to a string, or in this program convert a string to character array. I hope this video helps you to understand all these basics. Please like and subscribe.